Hello and welcome to my channel, Zippo Lion's Den. This time I'm going to show you the Zippo 2021 Collectible of the Year, which when I saw this one I actually thought it was a really good looking lighter and I had to get it. As you can see, salute to 100 years of Art Deco, Zippo Collectible of the Year 2021. Limited edition 2021 Collectible of the Year, 100 years of Art Deco decadence. Pays homage to the era. 360 laser engraving, select gold plating, and attached crystal emblem. It is actually a very, very pretty lighter, I think. They're limited edition. And as you can see, if it'll focus, it is an L 2021, which is December 2021. Everything that you see on here that is gold is actually gold inlay. Very pretty lighter. And as I said, they're a limited edition. They only made 5,000 of them. This happens to be number 4002. Has one of the little glass crystals in there. Like it says on the box, crystallized, which is actually just a nice fancy piece of cut glass. They're really cheap, so don't be super awed by it. This one's got a little bit of a loose hinge. Has a gold-plated insert, which is A of 21, January 21. Maybe I'm wrong about this whole ZL thing on the bottom. If you know what that actually stands for, please leave a comment below, because you'll be teaching me something. I'm always willing to learn new things. And this is how the actual gold inserts used to look. Not certain they're still doing it regular 18 karat gold plated, or if it's all going to be the flash gold plated like they're making now. But this is a very beautiful lighter. And they actually made 3 different styles. This is the US edition. Then there's a European version, which is a little bit different. It has a different crystal, same design. And then there's a Pacific version, which is the same design and just a different kind of crystal. I hope you like it, because I really do. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, because I'm trying to grow this channel and anything you can do will help. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great and terrific day.